Hey guys, it's Dr. Lauren. So this Friday, I wanted to chat with you about ball rolling and why we like this as an exercise to help support the care that you're doing in the office. Now, ball rolling essentially is aimed to help reorganize the fascia. And if you don't know what fascia is this cool connective tissue that surrounds every structure in your body, every muscle, every individual muscle fiber, every bone, every nerve, every blood vessel. It's all surrounded by fascia, and then all of these structures are connected and supported by fascia in this really cool web. So structurally, fascia is integral to optimal structure of our musculoskeletal system. On top of that, fascia is actually a sensory organ. This is what they're finding, is that fascia actually can relay sensory information back to your brain to provide you proprioceptive, which is your ability to know where you are in space, and interoceptive, which is your ability to be aware of what's going on in your body, information back to the brain. So if you have trauma to your fascia and there are twists and adhesions, your fascia isn't going to be able to portray accurate information back up to your brain. And when the fascia sends disordered messaging back to the brain doesn't like that. It takes that as a lack of safety. And our highest human need is safety. So we want to know that we're safe in our body and in our environment. If our fascia can't tell our body or our brain that we are safe, it's going to make everything kind of a little crazed. And that's where we can get stuck into cycles of inflammation or imbalance or dis-ease. So ball rolling is a really cool tool to reorganize our fascia so that it also supports our structure. It can help reduce pain, but also it's going to help normalize our sensory systems and the sensory portion and function of fascia to relay better information to the brain for better nervous system function. This causes a better sense of safety. It regulates the nervous system for better function overall. So when you are doing ball rolling, when you have that ball, what you're gonna do is find a spot that's sore, and instead of like rolling back and forth, you're actually gonna pinpoint that one spot that is sore and stay there for 2 to 5 minutes or until that spot relaxes and releases, and then you can move on. But if you can do this for 2 to 5 minutes in multiple areas in the body every day, this is going to make massive changes to your fascia. It's going to help rehydrate your body. It's going to normalize the structure and the function of the fascia, and it's going to help the nervous system stay cool and calm. So I hope that this video was helpful. Make sure you tune in next week for another video with me. I'm Dr. Lauren.